Let's be honest. You check your bank account. You feel responsible. You saved $5,000. And you think, okay, I'm doing good. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If that $5,000 is just sitting there, you are losing money every single day. Not because you're spending it. Not because you're reckless. But because you're not investing it. And most people don't even realize that's happening. My name is Tito. If you work hard and save but still feel stuck, subscribe and like. Most people believe investing is for rich people. That's the first lie. Investing isn't how people protect wealth. It's how they build it. By the end of this video, you'll understand what investing really is and how to start, even with $100. Part 1: What investing actually is. Let's strip this down. Investing means putting money into something that can grow and pay you back more over time. That's it. Saving keeps money safe. Investing makes money productive. If your money is sitting in a bank earning 0.5%, it's basically asleep. When you invest, your money becomes an employee. It works 24/7. No breaks. No vacations. The wealthy don't work for money forever. They make money work for them. Part 2: Why saving alone slowly makes you poor. Now this is where it gets uncomfortable. Inflation. Long-term inflation averages about 3% per year. $100 today becomes about $134 in 10 years. If you save $10,000 at 1%, you have $10,100 after a year. But if inflation is 3%, your purchasing power dropped. You feel richer. But you're poorer in what money can buy. Over 20 years. That gap gets huge. Rich people don't rely on savings. They invest in assets that outpace inflation. The S&P 500 has historically averaged 8–10% annually. Not smooth, but powerful over time. Part 3: What people actually invest. What does investing even mean? Stocks, crypto, real estate. People invest in stocks, businesses, real estate, index funds, and cash flow assets. When you buy a stock, you're buying ownership in a company. If the company grows profits, your ownership becomes more valuable. You don't need to be rich to start. You need two things: time, consistency. If you invest $200 per month at 8% starting at 25, by 65, that's roughly $600,000. You only contributed $96,000. The rest, growth and compounding. That's not magic. That's math. Part 4: The biggest investing mistake. Most beginners make one huge mistake. They want fast money. They buy when everyone is excited. They panic when prices drop. They sell low. Then repeat. That's not investing. That's emotional trading. Psychology is the real enemy here. Fear and greed cause investors to underperform. Investing is boring. And boring is profitable. Time is the secret weapon. Not intelligence. Not luck. Not timing. Time. Part 5: Compounding, the real wealth engine. Let's talk about compounding. This is where it gets interesting. Compounding means your money earns returns, and those returns earn returns. It's a snowball. At first it's tiny. Year 1. Not impressive. Year 3. Still slow. Year 7. Something's happening. Year 20. It explodes. $10,000 invested at 8% annually. After 10 years, about $21,000. After 20 years, about $46,000. After 30 years, about $100,000. Notice something. The growth accelerates later. That's compounding doing the heavy lifting. Most people quit before it gets powerful. That's the tragedy. Part 6: The investor mindset. Investors think differently. They don't ask, what can I buy? They ask, what can I own? They spend less than they earn. They invest the difference. They automate the process. They ignore short-term noise. They don't chase trends. They build systems. Wealth is built quietly. Slowly. Almost boringly. Until one day it's undeniable. It's about refusing to let inflation quietly steal your future. Time will pass anyway. Will your money grow with it? Or will it sit still? Start small. Start simple. But start. If this helped you understand investing differently, comment below with the topic you want next. The goal isn't to look rich. It's to build freedom. I'll see you in the next one.